In this video I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the Life360 app. If you're looking for a tool to help keep your family or group connected and safe, you've probably seen or heard about Life360. But is it really worth using, and what are the pros and cons? In this review, I'll walk you through what Life360 does, the main features, the benefits, and a few things you should be aware of so you can decide if it's right for you. Let's start with what Life360 is all about. Life360 is a family safety and location sharing app that helps people stay connected and informed about where their loved ones are. The app works by creating what's called a circle, which is basically your private group, usually your family, but it could be close friends too. Everyone in the circle shares their location in real time, so you can see where people are on a map. This can be helpful for things like checking that your kids got to school safely, seeing if a family member is on their way home, or keeping track of each other while traveling. One thing that really stands out about Life360 is the extra safety features it offers. For example, it can send automatic alerts when someone arrives or leaves a place like school, work, or home. There's also a driving safety feature that can tell you if someone in your circle is speeding, hard braking, or using their phone while driving. This is great for parents of teen drivers. The app even has crash detection, so if it senses a serious accident, it can contact emergency services or notify your circle. And for those who want more peace of mind, Life360 also offers SOS alerts, location history, and stolen phone protection, though many of these features are part of the paid plans. Now, let's talk about what could be better. The biggest complaint some users have is about privacy. Because everyone in your circle can see where you are at all times, it's important that everyone agrees to this level of sharing. Another thing is that while Life360 has a free version, many of the best features, like crash detection, unlimited place alerts, and driving reports, are only available if you pay for a subscription. The price starts around $5 per month and goes up depending on the plan. Also, like any location app, it relies on your phone's GPS and battery life, so keeping it running can drain your battery a little faster. So who benefits most from using Life360? I think this app is great for families who want to stay connected and add an extra layer of safety for their loved ones, especially parents with kids or teens who are starting to drive. It's also useful for close-knit groups who want to look out for each other's safety during travel or daily life. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Life360 or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.